Kublai pi baro ngi pediang so bhai pi shakatup kubor man taka jan miet. Shwaban paish ki kubor ngi nyapet shwai ki mat bakong san. Banang penklan syu ya ka make in India shong Menteri rang ba do ka ri da ka jet bashna hakari ka Tejas aircraft ha Bengaluru. Pelaj Menteri rang ba ka jela Konrad ke sangma ya ki tiar kitar bat ki kor ki bor jong ka tanat pulit ka jela Meghalaya. Kmi linti ka KHADC ban pertu but ya ki jingle babha jong ka sarkar Bhutan. Ki rel kit ya ki marba mardi ken yarap ban penduna ya ka dor jong ki mar ki mata om ban wanra jingma ya ki pat liu lom ka jela om uba Meryl Bonds im. Bat ka jinga kop le kintip balatip kum ka Battle of Mines Indian Army quiz arhajar arpulai kum shi binta ban rakhe ya ka jingdap arpusan snem ka jing rakhe ya ka Kargil Vijay Divas. Ki khubor ki babnia ha jilla Karnataka haba persyang ban kintiau ya ka Make in India Menteri rang ba do ka ri Narendra Modi ula shong ha ka jet ya kuntma balashna hi na India ka light combat aircraft Tejas ha Bengaluru mentaka sngi lingba ka Twitter Menteri rang ba do ka ri ula ong baka jing yo amma jong ban shong ha ka jet Tejas kalong ka basngau tenat bat ka banang pen kraw ya ka jing shania ya ka jingla jong kari ban shna bat pinmi ya ki aka nala ka jong kari ula pen pau ya ka jing sarong shapang ka jingla jong kari ha ki benta baper ula benrap shu Menteri rang ba do kari ula le jingoru ya ka Hindustan Aeronautics Limited ha Bengaluru ban khmi halor ka jingya ka kam ban pinmi ya ki jet light combat aircraft Tejas. Kalong ka sngi ban sa ken mau ya katanat trekam jong ka Meghalaya Police ha ka ba Menteri rang ba ka jilla Konrad ke sangma ha ka jinga don lang jong Preston Tinsong simbot Menteri rang ba ka jilla hinin ka sngi kila kawe lama ban pinya ya ki shispa prapotali ki bike prapotali ki bolero bat hanrio tali ki kali khwai ha ka ne ka program la samru ya ki computer bat ki tiar kitar ban pendon kam na ka benta ban pinyat kali ka program bala pelat yakini kitiar kita da sarkar Meghalaya la IT syakatanat Meghalaya Police ban pen klan yakijing shakri ki pulit nakabenta ki nongshong shnong ka jilla Meghalaya.
This must be and is the largest single order and flagging off and vehicles being provided or being bought by the police department in the entire history of the police department in the state of Meghalaya. And I'm sure that this will be a big boost to the overall infrastructure and the setup and the logistics that are required to provide good policing. And I wish them the very best.
Ka KHADC ka khmi linti bakan la ban perthu but ya ki jingle babha jong ka sarkar Bhutan ban yada bat pinne pensa ya kamariang habakren shikilat pathai khubor hadian ka jingelang bat ki dekhot jong ka Center of Bhutan and GNH Studies min hanin ka sngi ha Shillong CEM ka KHADC uba pinyait sing CEM ulaong baki ju yaro bhai ki kam balale da ka Bhutan ha ka ban pinne pensa ya ka mariang saudong saukun klem da hab ban pensange pat ya ki kam penroy ulaong bakila persyang ban penpau syakini ki dekhot ka kinhun bawan na Bhutan halor ki kam balale da ka council katkum ki riti senshar jong kari India Hakaway pat kaliam unong wat benya jong ka Center of Bhutan and GNH Studies researcher Ukancho Dema ulaong bakila pule shibon shapang ka bor sinshar bat karukom bat kandau jong ki pat riulom hangne ha ka jilla.
Te kani ka ching kendu ka jongi bat ki kalong ba ki wan ban kwa ban tip kham banya shu bai de ki ching trekam jong ki EDC hang ni pot Meghalaya te kham tam ki EDC ki bai de ka benta habai de kariti ka dustut nadu ka sinshar khadar tanrai ka bingidan ilai kran ru shpang ka jing yadei ba ka khoi ka suba ka solid waste management nang ta ilai kran ru habai dei bat ka yo ka kot jong ki EDCs
U MLA ka nongpo uba Meryl Bonds mula ong baki rel ki bakit ki mar ki mata ki la ban wanra ya jing duna dor jong ki mar ki mata bat kan om bu ya jing shong sir ya ki try muluk ha ka jilla habia kren bat ki nong tho khubor uba mula ong baki rel kit mar ki long ki badon kam bat ka don kam ban don ya ka an ka bate lakam kum ka inner line permit bat ka Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act ula ong baladep banya kren bat kinong don binta bat kiseng bhalang ban yo ya kajing minjur halor ka project na linti rel la ban kedau baka sarkar jilla ka penpaw ya kajing tmu ban wanra ya kelinti rel harilom jaintia hadian balami kajing persha ya ka project ban penya ya ki rel ki bakit ya ki mar ki mata bat ru ya ki nong let nong wan na shillong
past also that you should welcome goods train services. The reason it will ease down price rise and other issues within the state, easy communication and all. On record, I would like to say that why we are pushing for Meghalaya Residence Safety Security Act, why we are pushing for inner line permit, for the safety of our own people. Goods train is very needed, we need in our state, but at the same time, we have to position ourselves with certain legislation, certain act, so that we can protect the indigenous people of our state also.
Ka Office Jongka District Horticulture Southwest Garo Hills kalapenlong ya katamasa Honey Festival hamadan melim kabahap ha rera para CNRD block nin kesngi ban peninam ya kajing seiso karukom ringap ha kanika than lapenlong ya kanika program komisi benta Jongka Mission for Horticulture Integrated Development katanat horticulture u Arman CH Momin BDO ka rera para CNRD block ulalong ukong san ha kanika tamasa Kaneka tamasa kala lumlang ya kinong ringap nakathan milim bat kinong shong shnong ki penpaw ya kajing sngaw ya teli bat ki rakhe ya kaneka tamasa da kajing sngaw sarong nakabenta kajing ringap katamasa Honey Festival omtang bala rakhe ya kajing ruspa jong ka dustur ban ringap henry kumju ka phalang jing mut halor kajing kershan bat kajing trailang hapdeng ka sarkar bat kinong ringap Hadin bagaseng NPP kabadon hakaliang sinshar hinin kesngi kaladep banjit yaki arngut ki kertong kentay bakin thup yai Dr. Amprin Lingdo bat ke MP Natura ka Agatha Sangma nakabenta banya aireng ha ka election syakaying dorbar parliament naki artli ki shuki ha Meghalaya I Dr. Amprin insaya kun na Shillong katba ka Agatha kanya kun Natura Haba ay jingkren siya kinong tho kubor, kakertong kaseng NPP na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, I Dr. Amprin Lingdo ilaong, bakas ngongo bakaseng kaperkat, baki arngot ki kertong kentay, kinsaya haban mi kmat, yakajala kaba ay jat siya kakentay, hakaying dorbar parliament.
So grateful that the party thinks that two women candidates will be well matched to represent the state, a matrilineal state in parliament. For Agatha, she's an experienced hand. She has a lot of MLAs who will be helping her to win this election. Her chances are far more greater than mine. Having said that, try to make the best that I can. I just have one thing to tell the people of one Shillong parliamentary seat. If you think I'm fit to be your candidate and represent you in parliament, I will surprise you.
Ha kusem coal grey jong ka William Nagar kaway katendong bo gas kalabatay hakapor kumba khatway arpusan hene ka step kabala yalam ya gajing plo ding hakilay tili ki dukan hakade gajing betay omdon kano gajing ya briu lani gajing mensaw tat hadu banyo lum ya kanika kubor kilat ay jingerap bakirki bakentop ya ka kali penlip ding kalapoy mardor sya kanika jaka bat kalala ban penlip no ya ka ding kini kidukan kibla syakta kilamat ya gajing du nong ka bakraw na kanika gajing plu ding Office Jong Senior Dairy Officer West Giant Hills Kalarake yaka National Milk Day ha Jowai Dairy Plant Compound Muralong Jowai ka Additional Deputy Commissioner ikong B Bla ilalong ka kongsan ha kanika sngi Haba ai jingkren ha kani ka jingalang ka additional deputy commissioner ikong bibla ila banjur halor ka jing donkam bat ki benta ba kongsan bandi ya kadut da ka ba majphang halor ka jinglong kongsan jong ki nutrition na ka benta jongi ki briu khnang ban kintiu ya ka jing pen sapriang jingtip syaki samla puli ha ka bia day bat ka jing donkam bandi ya kadut ka office kala penlong ya ka jing kop kintip tho ese bat draw dur ka nambi marak na gajilla Meghalaya kalayo rung siya ka semi-final jong ka MasterChef season ka bapra bat ka day ka baningkong na gajilla banyo rung siya ka ni ka rinsan ka marak ka baday na West Khasi Hills kalapoy siya do ka semi-final wat hapareng gajing don jong ki babun kinong shet ki batbit na kalengkari ka marak kalapen pawi ka jing sngo kemen bat kalaong baka MasterChef ka day ka rinsan yakop shet ka bahetam hapo kari ban pen I ya ka sap shet jing shen.
Basic simple things have been like forgotten. So I think anyone who's got interest in cooking, I think they should fully get into it, because I was just a rookie cook, and now this has become my passion, and learning so much about your culture through food is something that has been an amazing discovery for me. And I just want to encourage anyone who's interested in cooking and who has a love for eating food and cooking food. I think they should just go all out and dive into it.
Ka School GD Gionka Public School, Siliguri, but ka School National English School, Baguyati, kinsami khmat ya ka Eastern Command ka Indian Army, ha ka National Finals, ha Sam Manekshaw Center, ha New Delhi, kabanlong ha ka Laitrik Unopra. Kini ki arteri ki school kila job ya ka semi-final, jong ka Battle of Minds, kabade ka National Level Quiz Competition. Balapan long da ki Indian Army, ya ka balapan long ha David Hall, jong ka School Army Public School Shillong, ha Headquarter 101 area. Hakane ka jing yakop lawan ya shibmenta de ki khat arteli ki kenhon bakin thop lang ya ki shinrang bat kintei hakirta banado shipo hado khan rius nem karta ka Indian Army kala penlong yakni ka jing yakop kintip bakhot Battle of Minds Indian Army Quiz 8000 arpulai ban kenmau burom ya ka jing dap arpusan snem jong ka jing rakhe ya ka Kargil Vijay Divas mentapat ngin yapet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sun meneng ha shillong ka jing shet kalong arpo 0.0 degree Celsius, bat ka jing kriat kalong khandai 0.pra degree Celsius. Ka jing ngam ka haw kalong saupun rio na ka spa min step, bat sanpo na ka spa jan meet. Ka sun beneng kan rukyang bat kan don ru ka jing tablao ba malumala habun ki jaka. Shwaban poy siya kapakot jong katup kubon ng yapay biyang sasisiyan yakimat bakong san. Banang penklan syu ya ka Make in India, syong umintri rang badu kari da ka jet basna hakari ka Tejas aircraft ha Bengaluru. Pelaj umintri rang ba ka jela Konrad ke sangma ya kitiar kitar bat ki kor ki bor jong katanat pulit ka jela Meghalaya. Kmi lenti ka KHADC ban pertu but ya ki jingle babha jong ka sarkar Bhutan. Kirel kit ya ki marba mardi ken yarap ban penduna ya ka dor jong ki mar ki mata om ban wanra jingma ya ki pat riu luom ka jela ong uba Meryl Bonds im. Bat ka jinga kop le kintip bala tip kom ka Battle of Minds Indian Army Quiz 8000 arpulai kom shi benta ban rakhe ya ka jingdap arpusan snem ka jing rakhe ya ka Kargil Vijay Divas. Te parlok katung ila poy syaka bakot jong katup kubua jungi metaga janmiet hadu bain de syambiang bat pila syai kesengi keblei pi baro. Sarkar jamahi khasa